What are the most satisfying sound effects from Revenge of the Sith? First, I'm going with the Varactyl call from Obi-Wan's personal beast, Boga, which has a very exotic alien vibe and was actually made from a mixture of sounds from a dog, a coyote, and a Tasmanian devil. Next up, I'd say the Darth Vader helmet sound when it seals onto his apparatus, with a beautiful moment that the entire trilogy had been leading towards. Lastly, I'm going with the R4-P17 scream when he is sliced up by a Buzz droid.
Oh dear.
I always loved how Obi-Wan has no reaction whatsoever here.